Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your hairstyle in EPIK Photo Editor. So there's a new feature in EPIK Hairstyle here, and you can find it at the first page you open EPIK. If you want to use that, you can just click on the hairstyle and then choose a photo that you want to edit. So here I've choosing the photo. So there are a few options in changing your hairstyle. There are bangs, you can add bangs to your color, and you can make your hair long. There are two options to make it long, and you can also make it straight, and you can also add some volume to your hair. So here I'm going to first try the bangs here, and now it's applying the hairstyle. Now you can see there's a bang. So here is the before and here is the after. I think it looks natural, so you can use that. And here I want to make it long. For example, click on the long one and it will make the, so here is the before and here is the after. There is a long too. Okay, here is the before, and so this one with bangs, and there's also straight. So this will make your hair look straight like this. And there also volume to add your to make your hair look more. You can see this is the before and here is the after. So I think I'm gonna go with bangs. So this one's looks more natural, and you can just click on the check icon, and then after that you'll be directed to the editor page. And in here you can also make other editings. You can change the hair color, you can reshape your body and also face and retouch. But I think, yeah, that's all. That is how you can change your hairstyle in EPIK Photo Editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.